Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to unlock Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and more. However, if you're new to Smartsheet, you may be wondering how to unlock it. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock Smartsheet in a few simple steps. I'll also cover some of the benefits of using Smartsheet and how it can help you be more productive. So, let's get started. What is Smartsheet? Before we get into the steps on how to unlock Smartsheet, let's take a quick look at what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and more. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay organized and on top of your work. Benefits of using Smartsheet. There are many benefits to using Smartsheet, including easy to use. Smartsheet has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to get started. Powerful features. Smartsheet offers a wide range of features, including Gantt charts, calendars, and dashboards. Collaboration. Smartsheet allows you to collaborate with others on projects and tasks. Integration. Smartsheet integrates with a variety of other tools, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Salesforce. How to unlock Smartsheet. Now that we know what Smartsheet is and what benefits it offers, let's get into the steps on how to unlock it. Go to the Smartsheet website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your name, email address, and password. Click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you will be redirected to the Smartsheet dashboard. Click on the My Workspaces tab. Click on the New Workspace button. Enter a name for your workspace and click on the Create Workspace button. Once your workspace is created, you will be redirected to the Workspace dashboard. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Users tab. Click on the Add User button. Enter the name and email address of the user you want to add. Click on the Add User button. Once the user is added, they will receive an email invitation to join your workspace. Once the user accepts the invitation, they will be able to access your workspace. Additional tips. If you're having trouble unlocking Smartsheet, you can contact Smartsheet support for help. You can also find a number of helpful resources on the Smartsheet website. I hope this video has helped you learn how to unlock Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.